Hi viewers! Balakot, situated in the Mansehra district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province in Pakistan, is a city with a rich history, stunning natural beauty, and a strategic location. Let's explore its travel highlights, delve into its history, check out some recommended hotels, locate fuel pumps, and outline the distance from Abbottabad via Route 500. Travel highlights. Balakot is nestled in the picturesque Kaghan Valley, offering breathtaking views of lush green mountains, meandering rivers, and serene landscapes. Travelers flock here for its scenic beauty, especially during the summer months when the weather is pleasant. History. The city has a significant historical background, dating back centuries. It served as an important stopover point on the ancient Silk Road, connecting South Asia with Central Asia and beyond. Over the years, Balakot has witnessed various rulers and civilizations, contributing to its diverse cultural heritage. Recommended hotels. Pine Park Hotel, a luxurious option offering comfortable rooms, delicious food, and stunning views of the surrounding mountains. New Balakot Continental Hotel, known for its hospitality and affordable accommodation options. It's a popular choice among budget travelers. Swiss Hotel Balakot offers cozy rooms, warm hospitality, and a peaceful ambience, perfect for a relaxing stay. Fuel pumps. Travelers can find several fuel pumps in Balakot to refuel their vehicles for further journeys. These pumps are conveniently located along major roads, ensuring easy access for travelers passing through the city. Distance from Abbottabad via Route 500. The distance from Abbottabad to Balakot via Route 500 is approximately 90 kilometers. The journey takes around 3 hours by car, depending on traffic and road conditions. Route 500 offers scenic views of the surrounding valleys and mountains, making the drive enjoyable for travelers. In conclusion, Balakot is not just a city, it's an experience waiting to be explored. With its rich history, natural beauty, comfortable accommodations, and convenient facilities, it's a destination worth visiting for anyone looking to immerse themselves in the beauty of northern Pakistan. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel at Khubaizai.